Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you are new and you haven't seen my face before, welcome to my channel. My name is Fern, it's great to have you here. I mainly post fashion, beauty and lifestyle type videos with a hint of silliness and vlogs in between, so if that sounds like your cup of tea, make sure to stick around. As you can tell by the title of this video, it's going to be an I Saw It First clothing haul, which I am... Oh my god, there's a spider on my ring light. Ew. Yes, so this video is an I Saw It First clothing haul, and I'm really excited because I Saw It First and I are actually working together on this video. They kindly gifted me the clothes that I'm about to show you, so thank you so much for that. I really appreciate it. If you want to know what I picked up and what discount code I've got for you guys, then just keep on watching. So the first item that I chose from I Saw It First website is this dark charcoal grey duster coat jacket, like the waterfall jackets. I thought these kind of maybe went out of fashion a little bit and weren't as on trend because I had one a couple of years ago, but I'm thinking for like autumn and winter now, obviously it's going to get colder in the UK and I'm going to need to actually layer my clothes now rather than just wearing crop tops and skirts. Sad times. But yeah, I saw this one and it looked really nice on the model and she styled it really nicely with some black jeans. I picked it up in a medium because I think she was wearing a small, and it looked quite short on her arms, and if you know me, I'm quite funny with things that are short, like on your wrist. I have to have a longer sleeve. If something's too short, it just puts me off. So I picked it up in a medium, but I do actually really like this, and this was only £20 without my discount code. The second item that I picked up is something I've been dying to get my hands on for forever, but it's one of the multi-way ones with the really long straps. So it's just, I got a black one. I think they had a few different colours or like prints, but I was like, I just want a black one. Black makes everyone look good, and the model was gorgeous. So it's a very plunge neckline. It goes down into some like high, they're quite high rise, I'd say. The bottom of it's quite high rise, and it does have like a cheeky little bottom. It doesn't cover that much. So once it's kind of over your head, you could tie it any way you want, like around your waist, around your neck, however you want, and you can tie it as tight or as loose as you want. It's better to tie it tight just so these are obviously like stuck to your boobs and they're not just gonna like fall out anyway. I got this swimming costume in a size 8 and this was £18. The next item I picked up from I Saw It First is a pair of jeans, and I love my skinny jeans, like they're everyone's staple and go-to, but to have something a little bit different and to wear now and again to mix it up, I think is really important, and I feel like I needed something like this. So they're kind of like paper bag waist but high-waisted jeans with like a straight leg, I guess. These are a little bit too big because I got them in a 10. Like I've said multiple times before, I just have that kind of body where my legs, my hips, my thighs, my bum is just a bit bigger and a little bit chunky, so I need something to fit my legs, but I do have quite a small waist. Like I'm an average size 8, but my bottom half is bigger, so in some things I do need to get a 10, otherwise it's not going past my ass. So these are pretty big around my waist, but what I do like is they've got the belt and you can literally like tie this as tight as you want and it cinches you in, so I think I could still wear these and no one would really like notice. So they're a little bit big, but it makes them really comfortable as well because they do sit really nicely on my legs and they fit nicely there. So I think it was a good idea getting a 10 just for me, and these jeans were only £25. Another thing that I've been wanting for a little while and I happened to come across on I Saw It First website is a black lace bodysuit. I've got a black lace kind of bralette, but I wanted something that was like more coverage and you could like tuck into obviously trousers like a bodysuit does, where my bralette is like a little crop top. So I saw this and I've seen these bodysuits on everyone in so many different colours. Like they have a variety of colours like black, white, red, purple, yellow, green, anything you could think of they've probably got on there. But I thought this was just stunning, and it's very sexy, and I mean you could wear this as like underwear for your partner if you wanted to, but I think you can also get away with wearing this with some like high-waisted jeans or trousers on a night out, like a blazer or a jacket over the top. It is laced by the boobs, so you can't just like not wear anything. You could wear some nipple stickers, some like skin coloured nipple stickers, or like the sticky pad things. I'm gonna see which ones work best for me, but I'm obsessed with this. I got this bodysuit in a medium because I was just a little bit worried it was going to be a bit too tight. I think I could have got in a small because it is quite roomy, but this does fit really, really nicely. So maybe stick to your size. Like, I'd probably usually be a small, but I was just a little bit concerned. So I think as a UKA I probably could have got in a small, but this medium still fits nice, and it's got adjustable straps as well, so you can always tighten it. Got this in a medium and this was £18. The next item I picked up from I Saw It First was very, very out there for me, but the past year or two I've definitely been wearing a lot more like bold clothing and a lot more colourful clothing. So when I saw these trousers I thought, do you know what, I'm not going to get them in black, I'm not going to get them in grey or white or anything. I'm going to go for the red because I don't have anything like this and I don't wear a lot of red. I have already worn these on the hen weekend I've been on and I had a lot of compliments on them. They are high-waisted and there's a big panel here, so they are so flattering. Like, this seems to cinch my waist in, and then because it's got like pockets and it does kind of like seem to come out wider here, it makes your hips look amazing. I think these trousers are just the bomb. Even though I got the jeans in a size 10, I was debating what I'd be in the trousers. I assumed they'd be a stretchier material, which they are, so I stuck to my size and I got a UK 8, and these gorgeous trousers were £20. I was gonna save probably the best to last, but I kind of just want to talk about it now because the other item is in the bag. This dress, I don't even know how to explain why I love this so much. I went to Tenby the weekend just gone for my auntie's hen weekend, and the first night we got there I wore this dress because we were all dressing up. I have got a vlog going up where you'll kind of see it, but I don't know whether that'll be up before this video or after. Either way, it's on my Instagram. I did post a photo in this dress. I have had so many compliments, and people at the hen were like, you looked amazing in that dress, like, where is it from? It is very similar to the swimming costume because it's got a deep plunge, if I can get over, a very, very deep plunge neck. You do have to be careful. I think I'm gonna pin the slits just a little bit further down because I did flush my underwear a little bit, but we were all ladies, it's fine. I got this dress in an 8, and considering like the quality, the fit, how it makes your figure look, this dress is only £22. The last clothing item that I got is one of my favourite colours. It's like a rusty burnt orange colour, so it's basically just a satin wide leg culotte type jumpsuit, and I wasn't really sure how this was going to fit just because to cinch it in it's just got like the little string, but I love this, and I think even you could put just your own belt around it if you wanted like a thicker belt to pull you in even more at the waist. But this is like something that you could dress up or dress down if you really wanted to. Like, you could probably chuck some trainers and a denim jacket on with this, or wear it out with some like heels and a blazer or something on a night out. But this colour is gorgeous. You guys know I love satin clothes, it's never going to change. So yeah, size 8, and this was £20. And the last thing that I picked up from I Saw It First was just a little extra because I thought they looked really cool and I didn't have any glasses like these. They are a little pair of sunglasses. I probably wouldn't wear these like actually for sunglasses, but it's more for like fashion, for photos and stuff like that. But I think they're so cool. They're the ones you kind of wear like down your nose, excuse the tag, but it's like not something you're gonna wear up here because you'd look like some sort of granny. Yeah, I think these are super cool and I couldn't really resist picking them up as a little extra, and they're only £6. Again, thank you to I Saw It First for kindly sending me out these items. I am pleasantly surprised. Like, I think I'd only bought 1 or 2 things quite a while ago from I Saw It First, but they've definitely upped their game. The quality of everything is so good, and the price, you can't complain about the price, and I love it all. I love it. I'm done. If you did enjoy this video and you do like these items, please make sure to smash that thumbs up button because it means a lot to me and it helps me out. If you aren't subscribed, please make sure you do subscribe before you go, and click that notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. It will notify you. Also, leave me a comment down below of what your favourite item was, what you thought of this video. I would love to have a little chat. I don't bite, don't be afraid. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!